Hey guys, it's Dean from Extreme Car Cleaning. I'm just going to give you a quick tip today. I came across something I think would help a lot of guys out there that are doing high volumes of cars like we are. Okay, if you look right here, all right, that's a Ryobi foam cannon. Now, it's not the most powerful thing in the world, but what it's fantastic for is it does have on it this valve. Now, that turns the soap on and off without having to switch the head. So um, when you're doing a clay on a car, you can actually put the solution in there. All right, you can shoot the car with it, and then you can go ahead and rinse it off. So if you have a whole vehicle to clay, or you're doing a whole bunch of cars, it's very, very helpful. Okay, instead of having to go walking back and forth to the pail, you just shoot the panel you're working on, clay it, and then rinse it off. Okay, I just thought I'd share that tip. And that little foam cannon, there's about 40 bucks from Home Depot. Works fantastic. It works with Ryobi. It works with Sunjo. It works with any really decent power washer. But if you're doing a lot of claying with a mitt or clay bar, that's seriously, it's the way to go. It's a lot easier. All right, I just thought I would share that today. Thanks for watching. Bye.